I'm here along the acequia that drains Cañones, New Mexico. It flows into the stream, which I believe is called Cañones Stream. And I'm along what's called the acequia. And the acequia is a traditional canal or aqueduct, if you will, that was built by the people who initially colonized this area 300 years ago. And you can see that it's still in use today. They do a annual kind of cleaning and maintenance of the canal. You can see all the new earth on the side, so they have to dig it out. Upstream, it erodes pretty much constantly all year round with every rain, and brings sediment into the stream bed below, but also into this irrigation canal, which is a bad thing and a good thing. And it's good in the sense that they need the water, and it brings, actually, if there's some sediment flowing, this actually helps fertilize their fields and to replenish some of the soil that's lost to erosion. So that's a good thing. On the other hand, if the stream is moving very sluggishly, like it is now, I should say the canal is moving very sluggishly like it is now, much of the sediment or silt settles out and falls into the canal bed, and slowly but surely, plugs it up, and then it has to be dug out again. You can also see that there's quite a lot of grass growing along the edge of the canal. This helps maintain the structure of the canal and keeps it from caving in, which is a good thing. And I'm pretty sure there's some frogs, probably leopard frogs, that live along this canal system as well. We stopped a few minutes ago and filmed a beaver dam. So usually these canals take off in a place where it's somewhat deep, often behind beaver dams. So this is a situation where you have people and beavers living, more or less in harmony. There's kind of a symbiosis there. And so one of these days I'd like to walk up and actually see where this stream comes out of. But I'm pretty confident that historically there was a beaver dam there, and perhaps still to this day. Okay, and this is used to irrigate fields down below. Probably in the good old days they grew food to eat, and nowadays most of it's used for alfalfa production, for hay, and for cattle and livestock. Okay, signing out from Cañones, Acequia in central New Mexico.